Here's a Roadster, a unique, especially in classics. Roadster with a removable top, I should say. 1929 Ford Model A Roadster. This is a glass body car. 350 V8 powered. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power brakes, front disc. Some nice chrome suspension components and axle up front. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Take a look at the underside pictures. You'll be able to see all that. You'll be able to see Flowmaster exhaust on there also. And we'll get into some more details first. Check those pictures out. UniqueClassicCars.com. We'll have the trunk, engine bay close-ups, interior, top on, top off. You can also click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Billet Specialties polished 5-spoke wheels, a little sweeping pattern to them. Good looking wheel on this car. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruisins, local shows. We'll get up to the engine bay here too in a second. Then I'll start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a look at the interior. You can see digital dash cluster. The three-tone color theme running throughout the interior of the car. Red, yellow, and silver. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. French-in taillights down below. Eagle mural on the deck lid. Now, there's something I want to mention about this deck lid. It is power. The switch is on the interior by the left kind of kick panel. Little up and down arrows on it. It just needs a little help when getting started going up. If you have a friend, just kind of help lift on it and push that button at the same time. It'll power itself up. Otherwise, it's simple to disconnect that. If you just want to lift it, have a little prop rod, do it that way. Either way, it'll work. You'll be able to see in the trunk pictures what I'm talking about with the bracket that raises and closes it. And I'll show you where the switch is here in just a minute. Again, those pictures, take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com, gas fill in the rear here. Now, it does have saddlebag tanks on it. I want to mention that. If you did notice, there is a gas fill over here. Previous owner only ran off of one of them. And let me show you these switches real quick while we're going through this. So there's 3 switches underneath the dash. All right, behind the key. There you can see 3 of them right there. The one's kind of hidden with the silver background. But there's 3 switches right there underneath the dash to the left of the steering column. The center one is the one you leave up. And the other 2, the left one is the fan, and the fuel pump is the right one. So I'll hit those when we get in there. Give you a little closer look. What else quick before we fire this up? There are adjustable coilovers on the rear of this car. Also Flowmaster exhaust. There is a kill switch or dead man switch, battery shut off. Flip up the driver's side seat. Previous owner stated. All right. So let's pop this door open. Take a little closer look at this interior. There's a stereo system in the trunk with a remote. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. You can see a couple stereo speakers in the door panels. In the seats and seat belts, tilt column. All right. I'll turn this key on so the dash light up. Now, when I mean flip the switch up, let's say towards you, okay? There's the fuel pump on the right. So, let's go ahead and fire this up. Fan towards us, fuel pump towards us. Hear both of those running. gauge here, RPMs, miles, mile per hour, water temp, oil temp. There you get an idea how it sounds. Take a look at this engine bay a little bit. The 350 small block Chev, as you can see, headers, a lot of polished or bright work. Good looking engine bay. Edelbrock intake manifold. Quick fuel 4-barrel. Mallory ignition. Aluminum radiator. Electric fan. One will get some attention at your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows, no doubt about that. Good looking engine bay. Fuel pressure gauge here also. Alright, now I mentioned it does have a removable hardtop. It is right there. No, that does not come with the stand. It will come on the car. Stand stays here for future use in case I get another removable hardtop, but we're going to put that on. We'll take a look at that, wrap this video up. Then remember, stick around to the very end of the video though. We'll do a little drive with it, kind of take you for a virtual ride if you will. And here it is with the top on. So fiberglass form top, glass rear window, and you can see painted, same finish, match the red on the Roadster part. Well, there's little kind of hazing or a little bit of fading right there that you can see. Nothing major. I noticed one little spot kind of the same up here if it even shows up. Kind of tough to even see it. Just a couple spots where it shows its age a little bit, maybe a little haze. Not going to change how it functions. It does not look bad. 1929 Ford Roadster, removable hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1929 Ford Roadster. You're getting a different view